In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bring object forward in Excel. If you've ever added a picture, shape, icon, or text box to a worksheet and it disappeared behind something else, that's because Excel stacks objects in layers, a bit like sheets of paper. Bringing an object forward simply moves it up in that stack so it's no longer hidden. Start by selecting the object you want to bring forward. Click directly on it so you see the outline with small handles around the edges. That outline confirms the object is selected and ready to be reordered. If part of the object is covered, try clicking along a visible edge or corner. Zooming in slightly can help you grab it more precisely, and a short, single click is better than a long press, which might start to drag it. If your click selects a cell instead, try again a little closer to the object's border until those handles appear. When you see the outline, you're set. With the object selected, use the Bring Forward command to move it up one layer. On the ribbon, go to the Home tab and look for the Arrange section. Click Bring Forward. Depending on your window size, it may appear as an icon with overlapping squares. Just select Bring Forward there. You can also right-click the selected object and choose Bring Forward from the context menu if that's quicker for you. Remember, Bring Forward lifts the object one step at a time. If it's still sitting behind another shape or image after the first click, simply click Bring Forward again. Each time you do, the object moves one layer closer to the front. Watch how the edges change as it steps in front of each item in the stack. If your goal is just to get it in front of a specific object, 1 or 2 clicks is often enough. If your worksheet has many overlapping elements, you may need a few more clicks to finish the job. You'll notice that bringing an object forward only changes its stacking order, not its position on the sheet. If it now covers the right content and looks correct, you're done. If it's still not visible, double-check that the original object is selected and repeat the Bring Forward command until it appears on top of what you need. That's all there is to it. Click the object to select it, then use Bring Forward until it sits exactly where it should in the visual stack. Thanks for watching, and happy formatting in Excel.